Hi there, I am Mira, and welcome to RGB Tech channel. So today, in this video I am going to show you how to install Box64 on any Android phone. In previous video we did on Snapdragon 750G, which is mid-range. So today we are using a flagship Snapdragon 888, which is powerful. Check out the links provided in the description. So let's start the video.
Open the link.
Just scroll down, you will find two files. One is Termux and Termux X11 version. You need to install both these apps on your device. After installation, get back and just copy the code to clipboard, which is used to perform the entire operation. Now first open Termux app, allow all permissions. Now paste the copied code into terminal and enter. As you can see, it shows various versions. Choose the option based on your device. Now, it will ask you to enable storage permissions, so allow. During the process, it asks you to configure the setup. Here by default use Command Y for all the actions. So here the installation starts. Take a break in middle and get back. After successful install, here use the command Box64Droid start to start the Box64 Android and enter. So finally you are into main screen to start the system. So here before going into it you need to update system. Again, update Box64 and Box86 to make sure to work system without any errors. After a successful installation, it gets back to the main screen. Now it's ready to start the system. So here choose Box64 with the command 1 and enter. After that it will ask you to choose resolution or you can even use custom or default desktop. So here I choose custom resolution as 2000 into 900 pixels and enter. So the system starts in Termux 11 app. Now go to Home, set the preferences of Termux X11, turn off additional keyboard if you don't need. Now load the Termux 11 app and wait for it. As you can see, it loads Windows system, in which you can easily emulate Windows. Now go to Start, select DXVK and choose version 2.2 to install. That's it, you are now perfectly ready. Also, if you set low resolution, like example, I set it to 1366 into 768 pixels. It performs quite better. So lower is better. Here, as you can see, I am installing Windows-based exe files on phone which are even based on 64-bit. You can directly load files from Android to download path, which here is indicated. SD drive. Here I'm running various graphic tests. It's running with good frame rates. So consider at least Snapdragon 845 or higher, also at least Adreno 610 or above.
If you want to stop system, just enter command with 1 and enter. That's it. It stops Box64.
I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more interesting stuff. This is Mira signing off. See you in the next one.